welcome. Today I'm going to share a gratitude meditation because times continue to be disruptive. Nothing is normal or routine. And when we experience that type of stress, it can sometimes be very helpful to lean into gratitude for everything that's working, to shift that focus away from all the things that aren't working, to actually pause, reflect, and take stock of all the things for which you truly feel appreciative. For this meditation, I'd like you to call to mind a person or anything, a place in nature, something that stimulates an authentic feeling of gratitude that just warms your heart. And I'm prompting you before we begin so that when I ask for that during the meditation, you're just going to be ready to have that. Okay, so let's begin. Allowing the sound of the chime to call you to presence, right here, right now. You might want to begin with a few deep, conscious breaths. A double inhale and double exhale can be very relaxing. And consciously release any stress or tension and prepare yourself to settle into your seat. Either closing your eyes or softening your gaze and looking downward. Drawing your attention to your breath, make no effort to control your breath, only to notice that you're breathing. Noticing where you sense the breath the most. Is it at the nostrils? The back of your throat? Chest and shoulders? The belly? Or maybe only a general awareness of the body breathing. And allow yourself to settle comfortably in your seat, feeling the support of gravity and everything beneath you, and the real earth that's supporting you and all of us here together. And as you notice the support of the earth and this group, call into your mind's eye any person or place, pet, anything for which you feel a genuine sense of gratitude. You wake up, and when you think of that, you feel, wow, I appreciate that person, that place, that being. And in your mind's eye, really fill out that image. See the being or place, noticing colors and textures, light and shadow. Any familiar fragrances or sensations, a breeze on your skin or the warmth of the sun. Sounds. Perhaps the sound of a voice or just the presence, breathing or a heartbeat. And connect with that feeling of warmth and genuine appreciation you have for the fact that that is in your life. That is a part of your life. Perhaps inviting or noticing the natural smile that enlightens your face, radiating into the eyes, and allowing that feeling of gratitude, that emotion that's warming and bright, to spread through your entire body, all the way down to the soles of your feet, filling the entire torso, heart center, out into the arms and fingertips, into the crown of the head, so that you are warmed by this feeling of gratitude in every cell of your body. And then allow this awareness of gratitude to extend to everything in your life for which you feel appreciation. Everything that makes your life possible, all the people, known or unknown, that allow you to get through the day. Perhaps the pets that bring a warm smile to your face. Delivery people, any other persons that make your daily life possible. So much contributes. Extending that awareness simply to the water that you drink and bathe in, the food that you eat and enjoy, the air that you breathe, the light, the warmth. So much makes this moment possible and alive. Pausing to consider and appreciate, and imagine that you could thank all of it in whatever way feels most appreciative for you. Extending that thankfulness, radiating thankfulness. Being thankful. And also appreciate you. For waking up and for challenging each day, knowing that you don't know what this day will bring, but you're ready. And breathe in, knowing that I also appreciate your presence and your support, and send you a heartfelt wish for warmth and radiance to be with you, and for you to feel that support at your back, to notice what is beside you, walking with you, and to feel our presence before you, caring. Breathing deeply, soaking yourself in appreciation. And carrying that gratitude with you forward through your day. Thank you. And allowing the sound of the chime to call you back from your meditation. If your eyes have been closed, opening them, maybe enjoying a few stretches, whatever feels good. Whoa. Coming back, opening your eyes fully, embracing whatever lies ahead. Enjoy the rest of your day.